Alright, YouTube, putting the boat in dry dock. Gotta do some work on the trailer. Sure is nice to lift that work. Does all the work for you. There we go. It's in dry dock. I don't think I've ever seen underneath this before. I guess it's a good time to look for any cuts or holes or anything like that. It's kind of cool to see it from this perspective. There's the float boxes. So far it looks pretty good, except for some scraped paint, but that's to be expected. I got to do some work on the runners for this boat and move the winch forward. I'm having a difficult time recovering the boat and launching the boat. I'm gonna fix all that. I got to replace the bolts on this right here. They're all rusted out, and this is collapsed down, so that's gonna get fixed. Later.